Hi there, I'm Manoj and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can install Android apps on your desktop using BlueStacks. So first, we need to install BlueStacks. The first thing we need to do is go into your browser and type BlueStacks. So go into the first link and there will be a download button here, and you can also select the operating system, or else if you download it using this, it will detect on its own. So open the downloaded exe file. So install now. So it'll take a while to download, so I'll pause it here. So the download is completed. It will take a couple of minutes to download. It depends upon your internet connection. So after downloading all the files, it will take a while to install. So I've skipped all that part, and after installation it looks something like this. So a window will be open and it will ask you to sign in into your Google Play account. So after signing in, you're ready to go. You can install any app that you want on your desktop and enjoy. So that's it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next one.